At eto na naman tayo mga boss, mga master, another videos na naman ang ating panonoorin ngayong araw to. Kung handa na kayo, umpisa na natin at matakot.
Captured on security footage, this next clip shows a worker taking a quick break inside a quiet warehouse. Suddenly, things take an unexpected turn. Watch what happened.
Uy,
The CCTV clearly shows an empty chair sliding forward with no one touching it. The worker is by himself, and you can see his feet are far away from the legs of the chair. Baffled, he even shifts it himself to figure out the cause. How do you explain this movement? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.
kumbaga dating niya parang baliwala lang sa kanya kung ano nangyayari, no? Parang di man lang natakot eh, oh.
The
Pero siguro
CCTV
nagtaka rin
clearly
yan.
shows an empty chair sliding forward with no one touching it. The worker is by himself, and you can see his feet are far away from the legs of the chair. Baffled, he even shifts it himself to figure out the cause. How do you explain this movement? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.
Oo, hindi naman natin ma-explain yan bakit nangyari yun eh. Pati alam na natin siguro may nagpagalaw talaga na hindi nakikita, di ba?
Up next, surveillance footage from a local village captured something moving impossibly fast, sparking widespread concern among nearby residents. Watch closely as we break down what was caught on tape.
Mm.
As you can see, a dark shadow appears to be floating right through the air. What do you think, is this genuine footage of an unexplained phenomenon? Or is it just clever CGI in editing?
Mukhang totoo naman eh. Ulitin natin guys.
It was caught on tape.
Ayan kasi mula dulo eh. Oh. Ayun no. Pero ang bilis eh no. Pati nagtahulan yung mga aso nung tumapat na sa bahay na to eh. Pero di rin natin alam kung totoo nga
As you
o
can
hindi,
see,
di ba?
a dark shadow appears to be floating right through the air. What do you think, is this genuine footage of an unexplained phenomenon? Or is it just clever CGI in editing?
Ewan lang natin. Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung legit ba yung CCTV na kinuha na yun o pwedeng edit na lang, di ba? Pero sa inyo na lang yung kung maniniwala kayo o hindi.
This next clip has everyone debating whether it's real or stage. Late one night, 3 young girls were playing in their living room when Funky Chunky Eerie was caught on camera. Watch what happens.
Oh, yung bata.
In the footage, one of the girls suddenly clutches her neck, while another appears to levitate as if pulled upward by an unseen force. What's your take on this incident? Do you think this captures a genuine paranormal event, or is it just special effects?
Ewan natin kung totoo yun, di ba? Pero kung totoo yun, nakakaawa rin yung mga bata, ganun ginawa, no? Parang dating is sinaktan ata yun. Kasi inano yung liig, inaano yung liig, oh.
Neck, while another appears to
Kasi isa
levitate as
naman,
if pulled upward by an unseen force.
isa
What's your
naman
take on
inangat pa
this
parang
incident? Do you think this
sinakalbayan
captures
or
a
ano.
genuine paranormal event, or is it just
Oh.
special effects?
Pero bala na kayo magusga.
This next video comes from India. Many of you might have already seen this going viral across social media, but here is what actually went down. As you saw, a man was riding his bike while someone recorded him on a phone, only for him to completely vanish the second he passed behind a pole. Many viewers are calling this an air ghost. Do you think there is any truth to this video, or is it just a clever edit?
Para sa akin, tingin ko lang ano, ah, camera trick lang 'yun. Kumbaga blind spot lang nung ano. Kumbaga nagtago lang siya sa ano, kasi sinabayan ng camera rin yung ano, yung pagkawala niya, eh, ano.
As you saw,
Ayan, no.
a man was riding his bike while someone recorded him on a phone, only for him to
Sabay
completely
sinabayan ng
vanish the
camera, ayan,
second
no.
he passed behind a pole.
Kumbaga ano, tumago lang siya sa poste. Kaya for me, it's not true.
Many viewers are
Ayan,
calling
no.
this an air ghost. Do you think there is any truth to this video, or is it just a clever edit?
Kasi kung magiging totoo yan, dapat sinundan niya pa yung ano, di ba, yung ng camera, yung likod nung poste. Para pinakita talagang legit na nawala talaga. Pero sumabay lang yung camera dun sa pag-andar nung nakabike. Kaya nagtago na lang dun. Kumbaga blind na lang.
Our next
Camera
video
trick.
was captured in Japan. Everything seems completely normal as a man rests near a group of motorcycles until this happened. As you just saw, the motorcycle seems to move entirely on its own. The man tries to step away, but suddenly collapses to the ground. Some viewers claim this was a case of supernatural possession, while others think there's a logical explanation. What do you think? Is this real, or is there more to the story?
Mm-mm.
It
Pero para
collapses
namang
on its
kung
own.
titingnan mo
The
naman,
man tries
legit
to
naman
step
yung
away,
video eh.
but suddenly
Pero ang tanong
collapses to the
dyan,
ground.
ang sinabing ano, nasa pian pa tong si lalaki, yung gwardiya, yun ang malaking tanong. Kasi patuloy yung video
Some
eh.
viewers claim this was a case of supernatural
Mm-mm.
possession, while others think there's a logical explanation. What do you
Ewan
think?
lang
Is this real,
natin.
or is there more to the story? This next clip comes from Saudi Arabia, where someone recorded a woman late at night. What happens next is bound to leave you questioning whether what you're seeing is actually real. Take a look.
Yun, galing. Yan
What's
ang
your
legit.
take on this clip? The video appears to show a woman seemingly transforming into a dog. Do you think there's any truth to this footage? Or is it completely staged using video edits?
Yan yung legit talaga.
Saudi Arabia, where
Dito
someone
bumilib
recorded
talaga. Legit yan na ano na gawa-gawa lang. Ayan no. Diba? Legit na gawa-gawa lang yan.
What's your take on this clip? The video appears to show a woman seemingly transforming into a dog. Do you think there's any truth to this footage? Or is it completely staged using video edits?
Mm-mm. Confirmed.
Originating from China, this viral clip captures a strange encounter on a quiet road at 3 a.m.
Ayan,
Take a
viral
look
yan.
at what they stumble upon during their late night ride. The clip
Parurot
shows
eh,
a
no?
shocking sight. A headless figure standing on the dark road. It's enough to make anyone freeze or hit the gas to get out of there. Thankfully, the rider made it through safely without crashing.
Nakakatakot no.
If this happened to you, how would you react?
Semplang na ako dyan kung sa akin nangyari yan. Ayun no. Parurot siya tuloy eh. How? Nakakatakot yung mga ganung bagay, no? Na mga ganung sitwasyon eh. Oh. Sa gitna pa siya halos eh. Oh. Buti na lang maingat din yung driver, eh, no?
This figure standing on the dark road.
Sa akin yan,
It's enough
lang
to
na
make
ako niyan.
anyone freeze or hit the gas to
Ayan,
get
no?
out of there. Thankfully, the rider made it through safely without crashing. If
Ayan,
this
no?
happened to you, how would you react?
Lang. Tumalo na sa ano. Grabe. Pero kung sa
While
inyo
walking
mangyari yun,
alone at night,
anong
a
mangyari?
man
Kaya?
headed toward a pitch-black playground with his camera recording. As he explored the dark part, he spotted something truly mysterious on tape. Let's take a look.
May bata. Then, yung bata is...
Go home. No, wait, wait. Don't mess with me.
As the man walked past, he followed a young girl playing alone on a swing late at night. She suddenly got off and ran, so he followed to make sure she got home safely. But as soon as she passed behind a tree, she completely vanished.
Go home.
Do you think this was a genuine encounter, or were his
No,
eyes just playing tricks on him?
Parang di naman totoo eh. Parang nagtago lang, di mo sinundan yung bata talaga eh. Kasi pinaling niya kagad yan yung pagtakbo ng bata. Ayan na, pagtakbo ng bata, kinundan niya. Tapos pinaling niya yung video or camera niya dito sa swing. Kasi dito. Siyempre yung bata pwede na magtago eh. Di ba?
Go home.
Pero ewan lang natin kung anong sistema nangyari dyan ha. Kasi di rin natin
Don't
alam
mess
eh.
with me.
Hindi natin masabing peke or what, di ba? Kasi baka malay mo talagang nawala talaga yung bata. Pero sa inyo na rin yun kung anong tingin nyo ang nangyayari. Kumbaga i-analyze yun na lang, di ba? Para sa akin parang ganun lang, parang gawa-gawa lang.
As the man walked past, he followed a young girl playing alone on a swing late at night. She suddenly got off and ran, so he followed to make sure she got home safely.
Hindi mo na.
But as soon as she passed behind a tree,
Wala
she
na eh.
completely vanished.
Go home.
Do you think this was a genuine encounter, or were his
No,
eyes just playing tricks on him?
Mhm.
Don't mess with me.
So next.
This next clip takes us to the US. While walking their dog near a wooded area, the owner's camera caught something unexplainable on tape. Take a look and see for yourself.
Ang bilis eh, no?
As you just saw, a mysterious figure dashed across the frame at incredible speed, vanishing almost as quickly as it appeared. It's almost impossible to tell what or who it was. What do you think this could be? If you have any theories, share them in the comments below.
Hindi mo ma-identify kung ano yun, no? Kung, kasi parang hayop din eh, na sobrang bilis. Parang unang tingin ko parang ano, pero ang bilis eh, no?
The owner's camera caught
Parang
something
kangaroo.
unexplainable on tape. Take a look and see for yourself.
Ganun ba kabilis yung kangaroo mawala? Ayun, no? Parang kangaroo
As you
siya eh.
just saw, a mysterious figure dashed across the frame
Ayun, ang bilis
at
eh, oh.
incredible speed, vanishing almost as
Oh.
quickly as it appeared. It's almost impossible to tell what or who it was. What
Pero
do you
ang
think
bilis
this
eh,
could
no?
be? If
Meron
you
ba
have
ganun
any
kabilis na
theories,
hayop?
share them in the comments
Ayan,
below.
Pagbagsak niya kasi parang ano, apat yung paan eh.
Across the frame at incredible
Pero
speed.
pagka unang bagsak niya parang
As you
kangaroo.
just saw, a mysterious figure dashed across the frame at incredible
Diba?
speed, vanishing almost
Pero
as
naging
quickly
apat yung
as it
bandang huli.
appeared. It's almost impossible to tell
Pero
what or
super
who it
bilis.
was. What do you think this could be?
Yun yung
If you
katanungan
have
dyan
any
kung
theories,
kung hayop
share
yan,
them in the
anong hayop.
comments below.
O anong nilalang, di ba? Pero ang galing ng pagkakuha
Our
dun.
next clip comes from Pakistan, and it's going to leave you scratching your head. You'll be wondering how this is even possible, or if what was caught on camera inside this small passenger vehicle was actually real. Take a look at what happened.
O nga, no? Ang galing eh, no?
This clip presents a total puzzle. Through the window glass, you can see a figure sitting in the passenger seat, but looking directly at the seat reveals absolutely no one there. Is this an optical illusion, a camera glitch, or something completely unexplained? Let
Tama
me know
na.
your best theories down in the comments section. Hope you guys liked today's compilation.
Kumbaga hindi mo nga mapaliwanag kung ano yun talaga, no? Kasi isipin mo, ang galing eh, oh.
Actually real. Take a look at what happened.
Ang galing eh, no? Mahirap ipaliwanag yung ganyan. Kasi ang galing, dire-diretso eh, oh. Di ba? Pero kung kaya nyo
This clip
paliwanag,
presents a
paliwanag
total
nyo.
puzzle. Through the
I-comment nyo na lang dyan sa baba.
window glass, you can see a figure sitting in the passenger seat, but looking directly at the seat reveals absolutely no one there. Is this an optical illusion, a camera glitch, or something completely unexplained? Let me know your best theories down in the comments section. Hope you guys liked today's compilation. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Remember to say a quick prayer before sleep to ensure a peaceful night's rest. Take care, everyone.
Alright, so thank you very much sa mga manonood ngayon dito sa video na to at salamat din sa mga nagpa-follow dyan ngayon at mga followers na nag-share ng aking video. At shout out to all the Thailander out there. Thank you for supporting my page. So hanggang doon na lang. Adios mga putet!